Hi there, this is Tom Mack with a short video to explain how you will use remote desktop connection to connect to your server. I'm going to show you how to run remote desktop connection from your PC, how to log in, I will give you a quick tour around your server, and then finally, how to properly log out. It's really very easy, so let's get started. Your new server will come with Search Engine Blaster installed and ready to use. One quick warning: you are not permitted to install any other software on the server. The server is for running Search Engine Blaster only. Before you can log in, you will need these three pieces of information: the IP address of the server, your username, and your password. With those things in hand, let's switch over to a live video screen and get started. Okay, here we are on my desktop. Now, this computer is running Windows 7, but these steps are virtually identical if you're running Vista or XP. So let's go down and click on the Start menu. We'll click on All Programs, and then we'll click on Accessories. So under this Accessories folder, we'll see Remote Desktop Connection. Just click on that. Okay, here we are on the Remote Desktop Connections startup screen. So we're going to begin by clicking on the Options button. We'll expand this a little bit, and let's click on the tab Local Resources. Now we want to set up the local resources so that our remote connection can use files on our desktop PC. So down here we're going to have printers and clipboard both enabled, and I'll click More, and I already have these checked, but I'm going to have ports, smart cards, drives, and other plug-and-play devices like flash drives will be enabled. I'll click OK, and then we'll go back here to the General tab. Here in the General tab is where we're going to enter our credentials to log in. So under the Computer field, we're going to enter our IP address. Under Username, I'm going to enter your username. Now this is Administrator, is my username. I'm going to select Save and click Connect. You'll get a warning, say Connect. Get another warning, say Connect. And this is where you enter your password. Enter your password and click Remember My Credentials, so it'll remember it next time you log in, and click OK. Okay, here we are on your remote desktop computer, and you're going to see that it looks very much like your desktop. There's a recycle bin. The Search Engine Blaster software is here ready to run. Down in the corner there's a Start menu. Very familiar. My computer, all your different programs that are installed. Down here in the corner, log off and shut down. Do not use these. You're not going to log off of your server, and you're not going to shut it down. If you do shut your server down, you have no way to restart it. You'll need to contact us to restart your server, and that can be a bit of a delay in getting that restarted, so please don't shut down your server. Okay, so let's run the Search Engine Blaster software. I'll just double click on it. Okay, it just takes a second for that software to open up. Now, we have complete videos on how to use the software, so I'm not going to give you any instructions there, but let me load up a quick list here. On my desktop, I've got a test list of some URL and keyword combinations. I'm just going to accept all of the default settings, and I'll click Run, just to show you how quick it is for the software to get up and running. Okay, there it goes. So it's just going to do its first search. Okay, so I ran a Google search for contact page submission software for businesses, and it's looking for Contact Page Marketing Machine, which is right there. So now it's on the Contact Page Marketing Machine website, and it'll spend a little bit of time here, depending on what our settings were, 5 to 7 minutes, and then it'll click off after visiting a few pages, and it'll move on to the next URL in the list. Okay, so this is just going to continue to run. What I'd like to do next is show you how to shut down. I mentioned earlier that going down to the start menu and using log off or shutdown was wrong. We want this session to stay alive. We want this program to continue to operate and to continue to run on our desktop while we've logged off. So I'm going to come up here to this bar on top and just choose the X. And I'm going to choose that X, and it gives me a window that says this will disconnect you from your remote service session. Your programs will continue to run while you are disconnected. You can reconnect to this session by logging in again later. So I'm just going to click OK, and that'll disconnect us from this session. The software will continue to run, and we can log back in at any time. So I'll click OK. Now that's closed, and we are back here on our desktop. Okay, and here it is as a reminder, just one more time, please do not shut down. You can close the session by using that X. Just close out that connection. You can log in again at any time. Well, if you've got questions, we are here to help. Email our support department at any time, support@searchengineblaster.com. Thank you for watching.